Hi everyone, my name is Shubhangi Sarunke, HOD of Civil Department, B Shift. Today we are going to study about in practical number 10 of highway engineering, and that is the report on visit to defective road. Okay, in experiment number, in a previous experiment, we have seen the defects and now we are going to prepare a report on it. So let me start the practical significance. The detailed collection in the site visit to defective road should be reported in the pictorial format. It should include the site photographs showing the observed defects. This report study helps us to know the present condition of the road and to predict the future usability prior. It is necessary to access the existing road for its stability and to ensure its durability. This particular assignment put forth a numerical detail of defects observed in the previous practical. So in this practical, we have to, whatever photo we have taken during our visit, we have to stick over here and we have to prepare the report on it. Okay, so the relevant program outcome are we should have a basic knowledge, that is an ability to apply the knowledge of basic maths, science and engineering to solve the engineering problems. Then we should have a PO2, that is a discipline knowledge, and this is an ability to apply and discipline specific knowledge to solve a core or apply engineering problems. Then we should have in PO4, that is an engineering tools and relevant civil technology and tools with an understanding of its limit. Then we should have in PO8, that is an individual and the teamwork, that is the function effectively as a leader and a team member in a multidisciplinary task. So you should have all this ability or knowledge for this experiment. Then the relevant course outcome are undertaking the maintenance of the road and drainage and diagnosis the road defects in a various road. Then what is the practical outcome? Prepare the photographical report containing a detail for experiment number 9. Then competitive in the practical scale, that is a diagnosis the road defects in a various road. This is our practical skill. Then in this experiment we are going to study detail about the road maintenance, how we are going to maintain it. Okay, and for that, okay, the first one is preventing the road. Why the road maintenance is essential is to preserve the road in its originality condition. Okay, then protect the adjacent resources and using safeties and provide a effective convenient travel along the road. Okay, in order to plan for a road maintenance needed, it is important to keep a complete set of a building plan and record of all the maintenance operation and observation. There has built a plan should contain the following: complete job index. Okay, if you want to maintain the road, which all documents you require, that is in complete job index. Then complete the history of the project from the planning stage to a construction, photographical record, then the exact location and the observation of any unstable condition in relation to the road location, then the exact location of the culverts and other drainage facilities or the features, then the wet areas that may have required additional suitable ballast backfilling material, and all the major changes made to an original plan. So if you have all this, it will be very easy for a maintenance of the road. The type of maintenance in the India we usually do is a routine maintenance, periodical maintenance, special repair to a monsoon damage and resurfacing, and then there is a renewals. So this all maintenance work we usually do or carry out in India. You can see this all is a defects, as we can see in the previous experiment only. This all is a defects usually found on the road surface. So now we have to find a solution for it. Okay, so what we can do, write the detail of the report side that you have visited in the previous practical. Prepare the list of defects observed and its causes. Suggest the possible remedies against the each defects. So in the observation table, as you can see, what is necessary to write is, in the observation table there is a two column. In that two column, the first column has the type of a defects observed in photograph, means you have to check the photograph, and in the second column you have to suggest the suggestion regarding the remedies measures, means if there is a pothole, what you can give a solution. If there is a crack, what are solution which you are going to give. Okay. The what is the first one? The first one is a pothole. So how the pothole is been we can give a remedy is that clearing and watering the road, removing the stone if present in that, then cutting in a rectangular section. After cutting, fill the section within fresh material. After filling with the fresh material, spread a 6 mm sand layer on it, and after spreading the 6 mm sand layer on it, seal with the help of sealing material, compact the surface, and that is a repair and that is a remedy of the pothole. Like this, if there is any crack, we can fill the crack by simply putting or simply filling that crack with the bitumen material and then sealing out with a sealing material. Like this, you can give a many remedies to that defect. Okay, so this is all about our observation table. Now what will be the result? Obviously the defects which has been occur on the road surface is due to vehicular and natural effects, and also the defects observed on the given road surface, it can be repairable, and because it is a repairable, therefore we have given so much of remedies to that repair work. So this is all about your experiment number 10. It is a continued experiment of the experiment number 9. In the experiment number 9, we have to visit the road. We have to note down the defects and why the defects has been causing. In experiment number 10, we have to stick the photos and we should give a remedies or how we can repair that defect. So this is a combined experiment which we have performed 9 and 10. Thank you. Thank you so much.